How to customize your TradingView watchlist. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. If you're trying to organize your stocks, crypto or forex cleanly inside TradingView, then here's how you do it. First of all, open up your TradingView app and open up a watchlist panel. Once you're inside, go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner in order to choose the instruments. To add them to your watchlist, tap on the plus icon right next to the instrument, and the item will be added in your watch list. Now, if you want to delete a symbol from your watch list, press hold on the symbol and in the pop-up click on remove. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete a currency pair or a symbol from your watch list. If you want to reorder your watch list, press and hold on any instrument and drag it in the area you want it to be moved and drop it right there, and that way you can easily reorder your watch list as well. So there you have it. That is how you can customize your watch list in TradingView application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.